Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a DisplayPort cable. So if you have a monitor, like gaming system or something like that that uses the DisplayPort cable, I guess this is going to go at 80 gigabits, so it's going to be a fast cable. If you check it out here, it's got that type of connector, so you'll know that you have it when you have that type of connector that's kind of like square and it's got the little edge on it there. It's got easy disconnect by just pushing that button there. So that's good if you're on the go and you need to take your computers with you, because you know sometimes if you're pulling, sorry Kenny, I have to take this away. If you have things that you're pulling, taking the computer, the monitor cables out and in several times, you just really want a quick connect kind of button here so you're not ripping things out of the monitor and of your computer. So here you go, this is it here. It's by Silkland. It looks really like a nice one. It's got braiding on it. So it's good, nice cable, and probably gonna be about 6 or 10 feet or so. Probably says it on there. It says 2.1 VESA DP80 certified cable, 2 meters, so 6 feet. Thumbs up.